Today's lesson is over linear relationships. So we're given a story situation, a table, a graph, and then we'll have to find an equation. The equation has to be written in the form of y equal mx plus b. What is m? M is the rate of change. So you know what? I'm going to write that down so we understand that. M right here is called the rate of change. So let's read our question for today. So it's called Mad Lib. So I actually do need to fill it in with some real numbers before we get started. Let's put down $10 and let's put $5. You have $10 in a savings account. That's the initial. That is what we started with. In order to have enough money for a car, you plan to deposit your $5 weekly allowance. So in 0 weeks, in the very start, we started with $10. In the first week, so you started with $10 and you put in $5 for that week. So now we're at $15. In week 2, we started with $10. You put in a $5 the first week, another $5 second week. That is $20. In week 5, we started with $10. We put in $5 each week. 5 times 5 is 25. That is $35. And week 10, we started with $10. And then we put in $5 each week for 10 weeks. That's $50. And that is $60. So the question is, now we need to graph it. So x-axis is the time. And let's do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then on the y-axis is about the money. So let's do 0, let's do 10, let's do 20, let's do 30, let's do 40, let's do 50, let's do 60. In 0 weeks, we started with $10. Oh, actually, I need to raise up higher, so much better. So let's do it again one more time. In 0 weeks, we started with $10. So it's right here. In the first week, we're $15. In the second week, it's $20. In the third week, it would be $25. In the fourth week, it would be $30. In the fifth week, it is $35. Do I connect the point? No, because every week I put in the money. I'm not going in between the week. So now, what is the rate of change? We've talked about this. Rate of change is the change of y over x. It changed by $5 of money in 1 week. It changed by $5 in the next week. So what is it changing by? It's changing by $5 per week. So that's why the equation is y equal 5x plus, we started at $10. So let's see if this makes sense. We put in $5 per week plus the $10 we started with. And that is called a linear relationship. It's in the form of y equal mx plus b. M is the rate of change.